Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by enabling the game bar so Windows listens for your commands. Go to Settings, Gaming, and turn Xbox Game Bar on. This allows Win plus G to summon the overlay. Once done, press Win plus G to confirm the overlay appears. Make sure you've set preferred shortcuts in that same settings page so controls match your habit. You don't need an Xbox account to record, but signing in gives you cloud and sharing features if you want them later. Now focus on capturing content. Press Win plus Alt plus R to record live, and use Win plus Alt plus G to save the most recent clip if background recording is enabled. Open the Capture widget from the overlay to toggle microphone audio or mute system sounds. You'll want clear voice levels if narrating. Adjust background recording length in Settings captures, and lower quality if performance drops. If you're streaming, open the broadcast controls. Otherwise, stick to clips for faster editing and lower CPU impact. To finish, stop recording and locate files and videos /captures, or open the gallery inside the game bar to preview. Trim and export with photos or any simple editor, then upload or share directly from your Xbox account if signed in. Make sure to free up drive space and set capture quality low if clips are huge. If the game bar fails to open, one key troubleshooting step is to confirm it's enabled in settings and that background apps and graphics drivers are up to date.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.